In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage in Canva, step by step. Even if you've never used Canva before, this is a super easy way to turn multiple photos into a clean, stylish collage for social media posts, presentations, mood boards, memory boards, thumbnails, or just creative, personal projects. And the best part is, you don't need any advanced design experience to do it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Canva and log in to your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're inside Canva, the first thing you want to do is click Create a Design. You can choose any size you want here, depending on what your collage is for. For example, if you want a square collage for Instagram, you can use a square size. If you want something for a presentation or a printable design, you can choose a different layout. The good thing is, Canva gives you a lot of flexibility, so you can start with any size that fits your project. After your blank design opens, look over to the left-hand panel and click Elements. This is where Canva keeps a lot of the building blocks for your design. Once you're in Elements, find and click Frames. Frames are really useful because they let you place your photos into fixed shapes and layouts, which makes creating a collage much faster and easier. Instead of manually aligning every image yourself, a collage frame helps keep everything neat and balanced. Now browse through the available frame options and choose a grid or collage frame that fits the number of photos you want to use. Canva has a variety of layouts, so you can pick one that has 2 photos, 3 photos, 4 photos, or even more depending on the style you want. Once you find the layout you like, click it and add it to your canvas. You'll see the frame appear on your design, ready for your photos. Next, go to the Upload section. This is where you can bring in your own images from your computer, phone, or cloud storage. Click Upload Files and select the photos you want to use in your collage. After they upload, you'll see them appear in your Uploads panel. If you have several images, take a moment to make sure they're all there before moving on. Now comes the fun part. Drag each photo into a frame slot on your collage. Canva will automatically place the image into the shape of the frame, which makes the whole process quick and beginner-friendly. Continue dragging photos into each empty section until your collage is filled. If one of the photos doesn't look perfectly centered, don't worry, you can adjust it next. To change the position of a photo inside a frame, simply double-click the image. This lets you move the picture around within the frame so you can crop it better and show the part you want. You can also zoom in or out slightly depending on how the image is framed. This is really useful if one photo has a face, logo, or object that needs to be visible in the final collage. Take a moment here to make sure every image looks good and balanced. If you want to make your collage more creative, you can also add extra elements like text, stickers, shapes, icons, borders, or background colors. For example, you could add a title at the top of the collage, label different pictures, or use subtle decorative elements to make the design feel more polished. Canva makes this easy because everything is drag and drop, so you can experiment until the layout looks exactly the way you want. You can also resize or reposition the entire collage if needed. If the frame feels too large or too small for your design, click and drag the corners to adjust it. You can move it around the page to create more spacing or add a background behind it to give the collage more contrast. A simple background color or subtle texture can make your photos stand out even more. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export your design. Click Share in the top corner, then choose Download. Canva will give you options for file type and quality, so pick the format that works best for your needs. PNG is great for high-quality images, while JPG can be useful if you want a smaller file size. After that, click Download and your photo collage will be saved to your device. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a photo collage in Canva from start to finish. It only takes a few simple steps, but the result can look really polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.